Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. We've just come out and fitted another Starline S96 V2 using the existing remote control. I'm going to show how it works. Arm it. We're going to apply a force shortly on the back. If they apply force to the back, there's our pre-warn. If we apply a stronger force, there you go. If they apply a force to the side, visual LED on the inside when the system is armed. Also mobilisation, start the vehicle up. Vehicle goes to ready, as soon as we put it into gear. Total shutdown, no error codes. Also pin to drive immobiliser, start the vehicle up. Vehicle goes to ready, insert our code which is going to change after the video, 4 down. Get a double flash from the LED. There you go. Select and drive away. Also comes with an app, so as soon as I arm it, system will arm. Okay, so you'll know obviously when you left the vehicle the system's armed. Grab it again, system's disarmed. As soon as I arm it, watch, I'm going to apply a force. So there you go, it's obviously giving us notification it's been triggered. Let's just disarm it. Also we get a call alert, but as you can see the reception is very poor at the moment. Just there. Obviously it's got tracking. If you want to get one of these fitted, give us a call 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you, bye bye.